Okay, day 25, 9 February. Just got into Tennessee. Allen Gap. We're gonna head towards Irwin. And it's sprinkling. I think this is mile like 289. It's about 10 a.m. The drizzle quit. Just see a little bit of fog coming up from the valley and the snow on the mountain next to me. Really foggy that way. Well, if the trail looked like this all the time, wouldn't that be great? But I know I'm going to be up around 4,000 feet today. So there's going to be snow up there. And if I just make a circle, nothing much over this way to see though. And patchy snow behind me. But the leaves and pine needles are sure nice to walk on. Yep, I got into the snow again. It's not as bad. You can tell it melted some. Somebody's been through there 2 or 3 days ago. Not much of a view. I think I'm pretty much on top of this. And that's the tracks I'm leaving. Little afternoon. Little Laura shelter. It's a stone one. Got a picnic table and a privy down there. There's some snow still on the picnic table. I don't know if you can tell how deep that is. 6 inches or so. This is what the shelter looks like. It's better than the last couple I've seen. I got 5.3 to the next one. Well, you can hardly see the tracks that was left. But the snow's deep. There's my ski pole to the top of that white clamp. So I'd say that's a foot deep. Must have drifted right through here. That's the terrible marks I'm making. Sometimes you stay up on top of the snow, then you lift your other foot up, you sink down in it. So I'm having a hard time going. Get to the top of this hill, I hope it's different on the other side. I can see a road over there. Just how steep the mountains are. Just taking a look. Earlier I said the next shelter was 5.3. I was wrong, it's 7.3 from where I ate my peanut butter and jelly. And I am not making very good time. Those are the tracks in front of me when I got them sometime. They're drifted in, which is better than nothing. I don't know, it might be a mile every 2 hours. I've been going up this grade. Right there, I'm staying on top of the snow. You can hardly tell. Then all of a sudden, your foot falls through and your pole goes down a foot. That's aggravating. Have to stop for air so much. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Can't go back. Well, I'm still not making very good time. In 1 hour, I went 1.2 miles, and that was pretty flat. I don't know if you can hardly tell how deep the snow is or not. I don't know how to tell you. foot deep. I don't know, 10 inches. It looks like somebody went through and then it snowed on top of them. Looks like I'm gonna head uphill a little bit. To me, through there might be the trail. Kind of socked in a little bit, but it's 4 o'clock and I have 3.8 miles to go. So I'll probably be getting there in the dark to the, I think it's Jerry's shelter. Trying to make time before dark for the shelter. Then the trail turns into this. Nothing but rocks. And you can slip and slide a lot. I don't know, I fell down to my hands. I don't think that really counts as a fall. Caught myself, you know, right here in a tree, really, you can hardly tell. I say it would have been a view, but fog's coming in. I think I'm going to be walking in the dark if I want to make it to that shelter. A little before 8, rolling into Jerry's cabin. Oh, crap. I'm wore out. You can't really see much in the camera. It's a stone shelter, picnic tables inside the shelter. Alright, I gotta get this pack off, and my knee's killing me, my left knee.